Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting the installer with a prepared Windows 10 USB or DVD. Make sure the system boots to that media and selects language and keyboard. Once the installer appears, press Shift plus F10 to open Command Prompt. This is the documented shortcut and works in most cases. If you're on a laptop, try holding Fn or use F10 variants because some keyboards gate function keys. You don't need to proceed into installation first. Open the prompt immediately to run diagnostics or disk commands before continuing. Once Command Prompt is open, you can prepare disks and troubleshoot. You'll typically run disk part, then list disk and select the target disk to partition or clean. This is useful when installers won't accept your drive. To repair boot files, use bcd boot C \Windows after mounting the appropriate partition. If you need a simple file browser, run Notepad, then File Open to navigate files. Make sure to confirm disk numbers before cleaning. An incorrect selection will erase data permanently. When you've completed commands, close Command Prompt and resume setup. The installer will continue with your disk changes. If the installer hangs or doesn't see your drive, reboot and check BIOS/UEFI storage mode. Switch between OSI and RAID as required, then retry. If you couldn't open the prompt because keys do nothing, enable legacy function keys or plug in a USB keyboard. One key troubleshooting tip. Recreate your installation USB with the official media creation tool if the media appears corrupted or unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.